about Child Jesus Lizio is a saint of 20th century. She was canonized on 17th May 1925.
Blessed Teresa, the little flower, is a chosen patroness of the work and is cherished with special affection and confidence. And I, for one, feel that it is through her help I have been able to overcome what seemed to me insurmountable difficulties and have been able to make the work the little success that it is.
The bond between Saint Therese and the servant of God Raymond, the founder of Bethany, was a special one.
Saturday, on March 19, 1921, on this day at 10 a.m., Father R.F.C. Mascarenhas took possession of a new house. The picture of Saint Joseph, the picture and the relic of Saint Teresa of Lizio were put up.
Father Mascarenhas है तुमको प्रणाम, जीवन किया तुमने ईश्वर के नाम.
October 3rd, 1925 was a privileged day. On that day, with due permission obtained from your Lordship, the feast of the Little Flower, the special patroness of the Institute, was celebrated by the Mass in her honor in the Bethany Chapel.
Saint Therese discovered her vocation. It is to be loved in the heart of the Mother Church. She exclaimed with delirious joy,
"O Jesus, my love, my vocation, at last I have found it. My vocation is love."
The name which I desire this institute to possess is the Institute of the Sisters of the Little Flower of Bethany. My reasons for this title are that this whole work has been conceived and worked by me under the protection of the Little Flower even before her beatification.
Father Mascarenhas है तुमको प्रणाम, जीवन किया तुमने ईश्वर के नाम. Father Mascarenhas है तुमको प्रणाम, जीवन किया तुमने ईश्वर के नाम.
From the very commencement, Little Flower has been invoked as the patroness and sought to be particularly imitated by the inmates of Bethany.
I was struck by the blood flowing from one of the divine hands. I was resolved to remain in spirit at the foot of the cross and to receive his divine due. I understood then I was to pour it upon souls.
Therese desired to be a missionary, prophet, doctor of the church, priest, apostle, and martyr. In her zeal, she desired to preach the gospel in all the 5 continents simultaneously. Confined within the 4 walls, she found her ways to reach God through the way of spiritual childhood and the way of absolute trust and surrender.
I will seek out a way of getting to heaven by a little way, very short and very straight, the little way that is wholly new.
The image of God of Therese is God of mercy, total trust and confidence, childlike abandonment and missionary zeal is what distinguishes her.
Saint Teresa, ये है हमारी Saint Teresa, ये Saint Teresa, हम सबकी प्यारी Saint Teresa.
The short 9 years of life at Carmel was of intense love and intense suffering. She experienced spiritual dryness, darkness, forsaken. She accepted criticism in silence and served with compassion who were harsh to her. She did everything with extraordinary love for Jesus.
If Therese Martin of Lisieux was still living today, I would advise my children of Bethany who wish to see a saint to go and see her now and then. Her life does not belong to ancient history. She is a saint of and for our times. Remember, she is only 2 years older than I was. Call her. She is prompt in answering her calls. Pray to her. When I was about to enter into eternal life, and at times when I felt anxious about Bethany and my children, Therese said to me in a soothing and reassuring tone,
Raymond, do not worry about Bethany and your Bethany daughters. They may be your children, but they are also my sisters and very dear to me. I will do all I can to help them to become saints like me.
My mission to make God loved will begin after my death. I will spend my heaven doing good honor. I will let fall a shower of roses.
संत तेरेसा ने ये रास्ता था अपनाया, संत तेरेसा की तरह हम भी स्वर्ग में चले। ये संत तेरेसा, ये है हमारे संत तेरेसा।
Roses have been described and experienced as Saint Teresa's signature. Countless millions have been touched by her intercession and imitate her literally. She has been acclaimed as greatest saint of modern times. In 1997, Pope John Paul II declared Saint Teresa as Doctor of the Church.
Little flower of Carmel, saint of our day, lovingly we come to you to learn your little way. Dear Saint Therese, do not turn away.